Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to change the Twitter logo from the X to the bird. First you need to do is tap on your screen and swipe it down. Search for shortcuts here. Then tap here on the plus icon and tap on Open App. Then tap on App and search X here. Then tap on it. Then tap on this I button here. Then tap on Add to Home Screen. Then select the image option here and tap on Choose Photo. Select a Twitter logo. You can download the logo from internet. I will also provide the link for the Twitter logo in the description. Tap on the image and then tap on Choose. Rename the app as Twitter from here and then tap on Add. And this is how you can change the Twitter logo. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.